So good morning. In our last class, we were solving problem on conversion of various units of angle, say degree, minute, and second into radians. We have done it. We have converted 1 degree into radian. We have converted 1 minute into radian. Also, we have converted 1 second into radian. And you must remember those values. What is 1 degree in radian? What is 1 minute in radian? What is 1 second in radian? That must be remembered by you. So, in our last class, we have proved that 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 to the power of minus 2 radians. This is 1 degree in radian. Also, we have proved 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 radians. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 power minus 4 radian. I have told you, you must always express the angle in radian. ಅವರು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ನಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Also 1 second is equals to 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. You must remember these three values. Then 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 power minus 4 radian. And 1 second is equals to 6.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. So 4.8 into 10 power minus 6 radians. You must remember these three values, and this will help us in converting degree to radian, minute into radian, and second into radian, right? So it is important that you remember these values. After all, understanding how to convert from degree to radian, minute to radian, and second to radian, we have now the problem on calculating diameter of the sun. Next problem is there. Can we calculate diameter of a planet or diameter of a star? Is it possible to calculate us either by direct method or by indirect method? Yavadadru method agli, is it possible to calculate diameter of a planet or diameter of a star? Calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Yes, that can be done. We know how to calculate it also. We know how to calculate it. We can calculate it by using the parallax method, isn't it? I have told you, if this is some planet of radius, of a diameter, say d, we do not know what is its diameter. What we do is, we stand on the surface of the earth, and from this point on the surface of the earth, we observe the diametrically opposite points. ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We observe points A and B from the surface of the earth. The points A and B subtend some angle at the point of observation. The points A and B subtend some angle theta at the point of observation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ points, they subtend some angle theta. We call this angle theta as the parallax angle. The angle theta na parallax angle anta kariತೀವಿ. The diameter of the planet behaves like, let us suppose this is some planet. The diameter of the planet behaves like, it has behave ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. How does the diameter of the planet behaves like? How does the diameter of the planet behaves like ಇಲ್ಲಿ? How does it behave like? It has behave ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? What does it? Very good. It behaves like basis. It behaves like basis. And this is the distance between. This represents distance between Earth and the planet. Now, if we make use of the plane angle formula, we have plane angle is equals to. We have plane angle is equals to arc length divided by radius. Arc length divided by radius. Plane angle, the angle subtended is theta. This basis behaves like the arc of the circle. Arc length is d divided by radius. this will serve as the radius, the distance between Earth and the planet will serve as the radius d. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದೇನು, what is required to us is diameter of the planet d, small d. Diameter of the planet is equals to, either cross multiply d is equals to d into theta. This is diameter of the planet. Diameter of the planet is distance between Earth and the planet times parallax angle. Diameter is distance between Earth and the planet times parallax angle. This is how we can estimate the diameter of the planet or diameter of a star, whatever is given to you. So what is important here is to make use of this formula, plane angle formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. You must make use of the plane angle formula. Plane angle is equals to arc length divided by radius. You must remember this basis will serve as the arc. Sir, straight ಅದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I have told you, for very small angles the arc of a circle always appears a straight line. ಯಾವಾಗ angle ಬಹಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆವಾಗ arc ನಮಗೆ straight ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. I have told you about this, right? So this basis serves as the arc, and this distance between Earth and the planet serves as the radius. This will serve as radius and this will serve as arc. So arc length is d and the radius of the circle is capital D. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ diameter, small d is equals to d into theta. ಈ ರೀತಿ you can calculate the diameter of a planet, right? So using the same ideas we will solve the next problem. Next problem nodri hagade. So this is the next problem. The sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 seconds. Double dash hakdaga second anta artha. The sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 seconds. The distance of sun from earth is, distance d of the sun from the earth is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. What is the diameter of the sun? So this is the problem. According to the problem, the sun's angular diameter, I'll tell you what is meant by angular diameter. The sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 seconds. Angular diameter is 1920 seconds. The distance d of sun from the earth is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. What is the diameter of the sun? You need to calculate the diameter of the sun. Okay. So the problem here is you need to calculate the diameter of the sun. So this will be the sun now. Let us suppose this is our sun. This is our sun, right? You need to calculate the diameter of the sun. Diameter find out from the sun, the diameter is for them. Our namige ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they have given us the angular diameter of the sun. Sir, angular diameter ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ angular diameter is the angle subtended by diameter of the sun. Angle subtended by diameter of the sun at the earth. Is this the diameter of the sun? Is the diameter of ಈ diameter earth ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು angle subtend ಮಾಡಿರ್ತದೋ ಆ angle ನ ನಾವು angular diameter ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So angular diameter is the angle subtended by the diameter of the sun at the earth. is subtending some angle at a point on the, this angle is called angular diameter. Adunne now angular diameter anta karitivi. Angular diameter here is nothing but parallax angle. E diameter ಅರ್ಥಾತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು angle subtend ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ angular diameter ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. Angular diameter is nothing but parallax angle. Angular diameter is nothing but parallax angle. So what is given in the problem must be first written. See, in the problem we are given certain information. We are given the parallax angle. We are given the parallax angle as 1920 seconds. See, parallax angle must be represented by theta. We are given parallax angle as 1920 seconds. You must remember, you should never express angles in seconds, minutes and degrees. Instead, you must express the angles in radian. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ parallax angle ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ತದ ನಮಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? Do we know how to express this angle in radian? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. parallax angle ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ, ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. theta is equals to 1920 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ 1920 into 1 second ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 1920 into 1 second is 1920 seconds. So theta is equals to 1920 into, we know what is 1 second in radians. We know the conversion factor. 1 second is equals to 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. Isn't it? 1 second is equals to 4.8 into 10 power minus 6 seconds. Adike na ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, you must remember these values. 1 degree 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian. 1 minute 2.9 into 10 power minus 4 radian. 1 second 4.8 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Right? So first ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ angle radian ನ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ನಾಗ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ರೇಡಿಯನ್, ಮುಗಿತು. Suppose if the angle is not in radian, you must convert it into radians. Notice if the angle here was in seconds, I have converted it into radians. Idradu further calculation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ theta will be equal to, we'll try to calculate it. So we have 1920 into 4.8. This will be equal to 9216. 1920 into 4.8 will be equal to 9216. So this will be equal to, iವೆರಡು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9216 ಬರ್ತದೆ into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. Into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. ಈ 10 power minus 6 ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 9216 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. This is the parallax angle. This is the parallax angle. So the parallax angle subtended by the sun at the point on earth is 9216 into 10 power minus 6 radian. First angular diameter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, angular diameter radian ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಿ. See, parallax angle was given as 1920 seconds, 1920 seconds parallax angle. 1920 seconds is to be expressed in radian. Angle should never be expressed in seconds, minutes and degrees. Instead they must be expressed in radian. 1920 second can be written as 1920 into 1 second. 1920 seconds can be written as 1920 into 1 second. 1920 into 1 second is 1920 second. 1920 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4.8 into 10 power minus 6 radian. 1 second is nothing but 4.8 into 10 power minus 6 radians. So 1 second ಇರಲ್ಲಿ 4.8 into 10 power minus 6 radians ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. So 1920 into 4.8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9216 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 1920 into 4.8 9216 into 10 power minus 6. ಈ 10 power minus 6 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು radians. This is the angle. This is the parallax angle subtended by the diameter of the sun at a point on the earth. ಇದು parallax angle. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we are also given what is the distance between sun and the earth. ಸನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. we are given we are also given the distance between sun and the earth. See, the distance between sun and the earth is given as 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. This is the distance between sun and the earth given. Aure kotare, they have given us the parallax angle, also they have given us the distance between sun and the earth. Distance between sun and the earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. You just need to calculate diameter of the sun. Is sun the diameter is find out problem. So diameter of the sun is to be calculated. How calculate ಮಾಡೋದು? We know that parallax angle is equals to arc length divided by radius, that is known as angle is equals to arc length of the diameter divided by this will summarize the radius capital D. Again, diameter will be equal to d, small d will be equal to d into theta. Small d is equals to capital D into theta. Small d is equals to, you know what is capital D? They have given us distance between sun and the earth is capital D. It is given as 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11. This is capital D into theta. We have calculated 9216 into 10 power minus 6 radians. 9216 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. This is theta. So we have substituted the value of capital D. Also we have substituted the value of theta. You have to multiply what you just need to multiply these two. 1.496 into 9216 is to be done. 1.496 so 1.496 into 9216. This comes out to be 13787. This comes out to be 13787. If you multiply, you will get it equal to 13787.1 into. Number multiplication, you have multiplied the numbers. 1.496 into 9216 is done. That comes out to be 13787.1 into 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6 is to be done. You are evaluating 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6. 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6. This is of the form a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. However, 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6 is 10 power 11 minus 6. 10 power 11 minus 6. 10 power 11 minus 6 is 10 power 5. 10 power 5. Is this the scientific notation? Adun observe madri. 13787.1 into 10 power 5 meters. This is diameter of the sun. Is this the scientific notation? Scientific notation aga first digit aad takshana decimal point irbaru. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ decimal point ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ left side shift ಮಾಡಿ. Diameter of sun will be 1.37 into 10 to the power. Next decimal point left shift ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 1 2 3 4. So 10 power 4 into 10 power 5 meters. So in decimal point of 4 digits left shift ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1.37 into 10 power 4 ಆಯ್ತು. Into 10 power 5 meter as it is written ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 10 power 4 into 10 power 5. Again a power n into a power n ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be 10 power 9. So diameter of the sun comes out to be 1.37 into 10 to the power 9 meters. This is the diameter of our sun. 1.37 into 10 to the power of 9 meters. This is the diameter of the sun. What is important is your calculation. You must do the calculation properly. One solve calculation tappa adre kashta agtade, right? Must make use of the calculators. You must remember some of the standard values, like what is 1 degree in radian, 1 minute in radian, 1 second in radian, right? And you must know the law of indices. Calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಇದೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 1.496 into 9216. 1.496 into 9216 will be 13787.1 into 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6. 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6 is 10 power 5. A power m into a power m is a power m plus n. Right? This must be properly done. Idamale 13787.1 must be expressed in scientific notation. The decimal line you should take 4 digits to the left. 1 2 3 4. 1.37 into 10 power 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Left shift ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ positive power ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Into e 10 power 5 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಲಿ. 10 power 4 into 10 power 5. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n again. It becomes 10 power 9 meters. So the diameter of the sun is 1.37 into 10 to the power of 9 meters. What is important in parallax method is the usage of the formula plane angle is equals to arc length divided by radius. In this case, the basis serves as the arc. Basis serves as the arc. Distance between Earth and the planet, or distance between Earth and the sun, serves as the radius. This serves as the radius. Basis serves as arc, and distance between Earth and the sun serves as the radius. Right? So you know the angle, parallax angle. You know the distance between Earth and the sun, so you can calculate the diameter. B is equals to capital D into theta. So this is how this kind of problems are to be solved. Is it clear? Is this problem clear? How to find the diameter of the sun? How to find the diameter of the sun? Is it clear? ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You must work it, right? Take the calculator, formula ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Parallax angle formula. Theta is equals to b by capital D, arc length divided by radius. Basis will act as the arc. Distance between Earth and the sun will act as the radius. Small d divided by capital D is theta. Now ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು small d diameter. D into theta ಮಾಡಿ d value ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾಗೆ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ, right? 1.496 in 10 power 11 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ. parallax angle ಕೂಡ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. और actually parallax angle seconds na ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, right? You must convert it into radian, right? So this is regarding this problem. Hope this is clear. Can you convert 2000 seconds into radian? 2000 seconds into radian. 2000 second na radian convert ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Can you convert 2000 seconds into radian? 2000 seconds into radian. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Can you do that? Can you convert 2000 seconds into radian? Second. I want you to have the calculator. Calculator ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Calculations ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You must have a calculator. First year, second year ಮುಗಿಯೋವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ calculator ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. So if you do not have, purchase it. Very good. 9700 into 10 power minus 6 radians. 9700 into 10 to the power of minus 6 radians. 2000 seconds is equals to 9700 into 10 power minus 6 radians. Okay. So you must know how to convert from seconds to radian, minutes to radian, degrees to radian. ಆ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 degree is equals to 1.74 into 10 power minus 2 radian. 1 minute is 2.9 into 10 power minus 4 radian. 1 second is 4.8 into 10 power minus 6 seconds. 6 radians. Okay. So this is regarding the problems on parallax method. Suppose if the angle is in minutes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The diameter of a planet subtends an angle of say 78 minutes ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is just an example. Suppose the diameter of some planet subtends an angle of 78 minutes. ಅಂತ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗೆ parallax angle is 78 minutes. Theta is equals to 78 into 1 minute. This is how you need to solve it. Theta is equals to 78 minutes is the data given. You write theta is equals to 78 into 1 minute. 78 minute na even ಮಾಡಿ 78 into 1 minute ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Theta is equals to 78 into, we know what is 1 minute equal to in radian. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 radians. 1 minute is equals to 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 radians. So if there are multiply ಮಾಡಿ, you get about 78 into 10 to the power of minus 78 into 2.9. I will do it. (78) into 2.9 will be 226.2. That will be 226. Either multiplied 226.2. Key factor ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ 10 to the power minus 4 radians. So angle ನಿಮಗೆ minutes ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. This is regarding the problem on parallax method to find the diameter. Is this clear? How to convert, how to calculate, how to make use of law of indices? Powers ಬಂದಿರ್ತವೆ, power multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6. 10 power 11 into 10 power minus 6 will be 10 power 5, right? So ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು law of indices ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? mathematical aid for physics on notes kuda kalsini adrolage law of indices ave. I have even given you so many examples, so go through that notes, try to practice law of indices. Avu gottilla andre calculation kashta agtade, right? So this is regarding parallax method. See, parallax method is mainly used to measure very large distances, such as distance between sun and the diameter of the sun. See, the diameter of the sun was measured to be, diameter of the sun was measured to be b is equals to 1.37 into 10 to the power of 9 meters. Diameter nodri estade ee number nodಬೇಕು. This is called order. ಈ 10 power 9 meter ಅಂತ ಏನಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು order ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. We call it as order. You must always look at the order. Order ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ whether the physical quantity that we have measured is very large or very small ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So look at the order here. Order here is 10 power 9 meter. 10 power 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10, 10 power 2 is 100, 10 power 3 is 1000, 10 power 4 is 10,000, 10 power 5 is 1 lakh, 10 power 6 is 10 lakhs, 10 power 7 is 1 crore, 10 power 8 is 10 crores, 10 power 9 is 100 crores, 10 power 9 is 100 crore. Hagadre diameter of the sun is about 100 crore meters. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಬರೀ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನೋಡಿ. Diameter of the sun is about 100 crore meters. Can you just imagine that distance? Can you just imagine that diameter? 100 crore meter anta. 100 crore meter. Whether it's a very small value or it's a very large value, diameter of the sun. Diameter of the sun is a very small value or very large value. It's a very large value. These kind of large values or large distances can be generally determined using parallax method. Large distances na measure madlikke ನಾವು parallax method ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ how about the small distances? How can we measure small distances? Can we measure small distance using parallax method antandre? No, we cannot make use of parallax method to measure very small distances. Sir, very small distances ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Very small distances ಯಾವುದು? Very small distances ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the size of a molecule, size of an atom. Can you see an atom? Can you see an atom? Can you see an atom? Okay, size of an atom, size of a nucleus, size of an electron, size of a proton, size of a bacteria, size of a dust particle, right? All these sizes are quite small. Can we measure them using the scales we have? One molecule ade anta molecule ishtu irtade. Ee point ni kaanistadalla andre molecule alla anta. If you can see this point, then this point is not of the size of an atom or molecule. An atom or molecule are of so small size that we cannot see them with our naked eye. Also, we cannot see them using very sophisticated instruments like electron microscope or tunneling microscopes. Sensitive instruments are namatra microscopes. A microscopes ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಆಟಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸೈಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಆಟಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, we can measure very small distances such as the size of an atom or size of a molecule, size of a nucleus by using Avogadro's method. We can measure very small distances. We can measure very small distances by using Avogadro's method. Avogadro is the name of a scientist. He has proposed some method for calculating very small distances such as size of a atom, size of a nucleus, size of a molecule. By using this method, it is possible for us to calculate very small distances. Right? we'll understand what is Avogadro's method, and also we'll calculate the size of an atom, and also we'll calculate size of a molecule, right? Now, before we understand what is the Avogadro's method, how to calculate very small distances, we must know what is the shape of an atom. See, an atom is assumed to be spherical in shape. An atom is assumed to be spherical in shape. We assume that an atom looks spherical. ಒಂದು atom ಈ ರೀತಿ spherical ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ spherical ಇರ್ತದೆ. Spherical ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can just imagine a ball. A ball will be spherical in shape. Atom ಕೂಡ spherical ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ assume ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. We assume an atom to be spherical in shape. When we assume an atom to be spherical in shape, a sphere will be generally having some volume. Sphere volume irtadalla. What is the volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of that sphere. You must know these values. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? Suppose if I consider this substance, ನಾನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, this substance is made up of large number of atoms, isn't it? This substance is made up of large number of atoms. Because this substance is a solid, the atoms in this substance will be tightly packed. The atoms in this substance will